Come on. There. Today, guys, this is gonna be the 4th of July fireworks 2026. So let's go. I'm ready, Brandon. Don't throw it. Don't throw it, please. You have to like put it on the ladder or on the ground to do that.
What do you want, on the ladder or on the ground?
Ladder. All right, guys.
I got those pumps too, Brandon, if you don't want to waste your lighter, bro.
Oh, that's all good.
All right, guys, cover your ears. Here it goes. It smells like candy. Alright, I should do a close-up view this time to see what's gonna happen. There's green and blue. Oh, I still see it. That was cool. Can you do the Piccolo Pete again, Brandon?
Another Piccolo Pete.
Yes. I'm gonna do a close-up view this time. Alright guys, this time we're gonna do a close-up view this time. And the fireworks whistle might be a little bit louder, so you might have to turn down your volumes for this one. What? Stop. Cover your ears, guys. Cover your ears. That was loud. What? Hey Brandon, did it hurt your ears? How? It's not hurting, guys. Somehow it's not loud enough to hurt my ears. Somehow. Hey Brandon. Somehow it's not hurting my ears. There's 2 left on this box, Brandon. There's 2 left on this one.
Okay, he has one going right now.
Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. I don't know. No. It did not talk. It didn't talk. It didn't talk.
Didn't talk.
No.
Do you want another Piccolo Pete?
Yes. Stop. Bro, stop. Hold on.
Ready?
Wait. Go ahead. I'm ready. When I hear the whistle, I'm gonna back up and go somewhere else. Cover your ears. Yeah. Well, I like the noise.
You want to try one of these?
Yeah.
See what happens?
Dad, I just like the noise. I'll keep it down a little bit and I'll try to laugh. I'll laugh quietly if I can. Here it goes, here it goes, here it goes.
Oh, I didn't do anything.
That was an epic fail. That was funny. Guys.
Try that again.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do the worst this time.
Alright. Try to like throw it. Brandon, try to like throw it.
Throw it.
Yeah, throw it.
Careful, this is the spinner.
Yeah. There it goes. What does it sound like, Brandon? It sounds like a motor. Sorry. Can you do the Piccolo Pete after this one?
Yeah. What if we do this?
Yeah.
2 of those.
It's gonna fall.
I got it.
Alright. I'm ready. Alright, get back. It's the mini fountain again. It's it's the mini fountain again. Wait, what is that?
Oh, Bradley was asking if I can do mini me fountain.
Oh.
Is that right?
Yeah, what's it called?
Mini me fountain. Watch your hands.
I know. It might whistle. Yeah. That was funny, guys. I almost stopped my video. Hold on. That was funny. It just whistled.
Alright, you pick a little.
Yes.
My head kind of hurts.
Nothing.
Oh, he was saying he wanted to pick a little.
Alright.
Pick a little feet.
What color's the bottom part? Alright, here goes.
Watch your hands.
I know. Cover your ears. That was so loud. That was so funny. It kind of hurts my ears a tiny bit.
Past couple times I go, I have to sit out in
Brandon. Hey, Brandon. Brandon, should we knock those over? No. Sorry about the camera shaking, guys. I'm shaking because of the whistle, I think. I'm not doing it. I'm not gonna knock them over. I'm scared right now, so I'm not doing it. Now what?
How about a red, white, and blue?
Alright. Let's do
I
it.
was just asking them what they want to do, and I was letting them pick them out.
whatever, man. Just
Sorry about my camera not focusing, guys. I'm trying. Riley, that was too
Is this
close.
the one you wanted?
Oh my goodness. Alright.
Alright, we got a big boy to start.
What's it called?
Honk tonk.
Yeah.
start making a pile over there on the ground
What?
in front of the motorcycles, the ones that are used. I'll pick them up tomorrow.
Oh.
Yeah, just any, we're just gonna. Thanks, man.
Oh. Alright. Look at this one, guys. Look at this one. Look how big this thing is. Look how big this thing is, guys.
I'm just trying to land it in the can.
Yeah, look how big this thing is.
Might have to put this one on the ground
Why?
because it's a little lopsided.
I'd probably put it like a little bit farther away.
It might whistle.
Yeah, you might want to move that out.
Yeah, I don't want it to fall. Yeah, this
Stop it, please. Oh, I felt it. That was coming. Alright. Alright. Get ready. Here goes. My camera. Bro, my camera doesn't focus. Hold on. I'm just gonna turn it down a little bit. Sorry about the guys. I can't fix the camera because I'm holding with two hands. So one is my tablet, one is my phone. So I can't. I'm sorry, guys. That's so loud. Well, come on. Wow.
That one was nice. I like that one. That was cool. It's kind of like relaxing.
It did not whistle. Of course, it did not whistle.
Did it the same thing the way it was.
I stepped on it.
What do you guys want next?
Piccolo Pete's. My favorite, Brandon. They're my favorite. What is that?
Brown blue.
Brandon, what does it sound like?
Like a helicopter.
To me, it sounds like a motor. Oh my, sorry about the notification. Let me clear that. It's not hair.
Yeah, because you moved. You look like one of those.
Oh, jeez. No.
Okay, Marissa,
My nose is itchy, so let me put that back. Hold on. Alright. Bruh.
yeah.
Hey, Brandon. Yeah. Piccolo Pete's next.
No, you guys live. You guys had your eyes.
Alright, guys. This time, I'm gonna be quiet at the whistle. And on the next round, I'll laugh during the whistle. But on this round, guys, we're gonna be quiet on the entire whistle, and then we're gonna laugh at the end of the whistle. Unless if I want to change my mind, but I decide to be quiet at the end of the whistle. Alright, let's be quiet this time.
Why did it be like this?
Here, guys, let me stop the video real quick.
Ready?
Go ahead. I had to stop the video, guys, because my camera, blurry. It was blurry. Alright, let's be quiet this time. Get ready. That's so loud. But it's not hurting my ears somehow. Okay, I'm standing back for this one. I am staying back. Oh, my arm hurts for this one. Somehow it's hurting. I cannot fix the camera, guys. I'm sorry. Let me switch the camera onto this side. Okay. Alright. I want on this side. Alright, now I'm ready. Oh sh.
What about this?
Yeah.
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 Yeah. I was gonna try to put on the top of that ladder as a big
Boom. That was so loud. Someone's alarm's going off.
Some of them might fit.
Alright.
Yeah, it's
Don't worry about that. Yeah, the wind's gonna tilt it or something.
And it might explode. Alright. Here we go. Sorry about that, guys. My arms are hurting. I'm gonna put the camera down after this because my arms are hurting.
Whoa.
Hold up. What? I'm gonna put my camera down, my tablet down. Sorry about that, guys. I had to put my tablet down because my arm is hurting, so. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh, dude, that scared me. Oh my god!
top? top? Yeah. It's crazy. It was a small one like that too.
Hey, it's like, can you hold my tablet, please?
You want me to record for you?
Yeah, just do not.
For how long, Reese? I don't want to be doing this the whole time.
Alright.
Wait, it's a
Yeah, you have to leave it.
I know.
I'm
I made
glad.
another one.
Wow. Good job. That must have been hard to do, Bradley.
Can I light one? Can I light one?
That was it?
Can I light one?
You light one? Oh, okay.
Can I light one?
Can we do
I don't
more?
want to.
Yeah, I guess.
Here.
Why don't you light one of those pumps up,
Sorry, not to be
Brandon?
What's that?
Why don't you use one of those pumps that'll save your lighter? And
you're my girlfriend.
Oh, these things. Yeah. I try to use those. It's kind of a pain in the ass to
Are
use.
they? Okay.
Yeah, and I have an extra lighter, and I have another one in the car too. So. And then plus, if I have my cigarette, I can just use
Reese,
my
I can't
cigarette.
see Bradley.
Be careful, Brad.
Oh, here goes.
Good job, B.
They were tight.
You want to do your sword?
Don't play with
Huh?
You
fire.
want to do your sword?
Ooh.
You got a sword too. You want to do your sword?
No.
Okay, I'm done, Reese. How do I stop this? How do I stop?
Sword, man. I think it was $18.
How do I stop this?
You have to press the square button.